Question number 5. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. So, in the part 1, A complement of A union B. B represent the universal set Y, the rectangle, and set A by the circle A. This is circle A, and this set B here. Here A union B is the portion, this portion inside, and complement of A union B. The outside portion of this, the outside portion is the shaded portion, this shaded portion, this shaded portion is A union B dash complement, and this inside white side is the portion A union B. This set is A union B. So this is the Venn diagram for this set. Now see, in the A dash intersection B, the complement of A dash is outside portion and B dash is so the common portion is outside. This is the common portion of A and B, complement of A and B. So set A, the complement of A is outside the A, and complement of set B is outside this. So this portion and this portion, they are not common. These portions are not common of the. So portion is outside. Outside is this is also portion outside, but not common part. So in the set B, this portion is also lies in the complement, but the common portion is this shaded portion of the two complement sets. So A dash B dash is this portion, shaded portion. Hence these two sets are equal according to Venn diagram. In the third part, complement of A intersection B. Set A is represented by this circle, and B is the second circle, this. So intersection of these two sets is this. This is the intersection of this. So common elements of set A and B are this portion, this. But the complement is outside this set. So we can say it here. So outside this portion, whole this shaded portion represent this set. Now in this last part, A dash union B dash. A dash is the portion outside of this, and B the portion that outside of this. So only this portion is left. This portion is left. So this portion represents this, and the shaded portion, this is the outside of this portion is outside this black portion, this whole shaded portion represent A dash union B dash, means complement of A union complement B, because complement of A is outside of set A, complement of B is outside, so common portion will become this, and this will be the left part in this universal set. And from these two diagrams we see they are same type of, so these two sets are equal.